Hello everyone. Now we will be studying right now how to perform addition in Java. So this is not a simple performance, as we have to accept number from user and then we will add it and then we will give out the answer as output as the sum. And so for that I have written a program over here in Java. You can see over here I have used import java.io.asterisk, the IO package I have used, input output package, so that we want the the two numbers to be entered by user. So for that we need IO package, and so we have used import java.io.asterisk over here. We have used the public class addition. We have used the name as addition. And you can see over here public static void main string args. We have initialized the program with public access modifier, and here you can see I have used input stream reader read new input stream reader system.in buffered reader ob new buffered reader read. This is compulsory, and throws I exception over here. This part is compulsory as we want input to be entered by user. So this part, buffered reader part, is compulsory. Now let's come to the program. You can see over here we have initialized two variable of integer type, three variables. Num1, this is the first number which we will accept from the user. This is the second number which we will accept, and this is sum. Here we will store the additional value, and I have initialized this as 0 at starting, and you can see over here I have given a system out println command. System out println command. This command is used to show the message out over here. You can see over here I have written enter two numbers for addition. That do means that I want a user, I have given instruction to a user to enter two numbers which the user want to get calculated, which the user want to get added. So you can see over here I have given the instruction to the user. In this line you can see num1 equal to integer.parseInt ob.readline. Here we will be accepting integer type, the value which user will give to us, we will store it to num1, the first number, and the second number same we will store in num2. And here we have done the calculation part. You can see over here sum I have initialized as 0, but here we will do calculation. The first number which we have accepted from user will be stored in num1. The second number that we have accepted from the user will be stored at num2, and then we will add this. Suppose that user has entered the first number in num1. Let it be 10, and the second number user has entered is 15. So what is sum doing? Sum equal to num1 plus num2. Here sum equal to num1 is 10 and num2 is 15. So the value of sum will be 25. So this works like this. Maybe suppose that we have entered 110 and over here we have entered 150. So the sum will be 110 plus 150. What will be the sum? 260. So the answer will be not this one, it will be 260. So this is how this function is getting performed over here, and you can see that I have used system out println, and this will show out the message the sum of the two numbers as equal to sum. This is the sum, the same sum where I have calculated, added and stored the additional value of these two numbers which has been entered by user. So this hope this program is clear to you. Now we will be going to practical part, and we will do this in computer and see the output of this. Alright class, so as we have already discussed the program of addition, how to perform addition using the Java programming, as we have already discussed, we will be doing the same in computer. So I have opened BlueJ Java compiler. We will create a new class as addition. We will remove all this. First of all, we will use the import java.io.asterisk IO package, input output package. Then we will name the class as addition. You can name any of your choice. We will open a curly bracket. Now we will write public static void main string args throws an exception. We will first of all initialize the program. So I have written over here public static void main string args throws an exception. Here we are using throws an exception as we want the value to be entered by user. Now we will again open a curly bracket, and inside this curly bracket we will write input stream reader read new input stream reader system.in buffered reader ob new buffered reader read. Now I have written this input stream reader read new input stream reader system.in buffered reader ob new buffered reader read. As we require this statement as we want the user to enter the values. Now I will initialize three integer variable. First one as num1, second one as num2, and third one as sum. So the value of sum I will initialize it as 0 for the starting, and then I will be writing system out println enter two number for addition. So I want to give the user instruction to enter two number. So this is the message that will be shown to the user. to enter two numbers for addition. Now we will accept those numbers. We will store those two numbers in num1 and num2. First number we will store in num1 equal to integer dot parseInt ob dot readline. And the same thing we will do with num2. Num2 equal to integer dot parseInt ob dot readline. Now what do we want? Now we will be doing the main operational part. We will add both these number what we have accepted from the user and stored in num1 and num2. We will add both these numbers and we will store the sum in sum equal to num1 plus num2. And now we will be showing out the output by using system out println. Sum of the numbers equal to and we will write down the answer what we have stored in sum. So you can see over here we have used import IO package, public class addition, public static void main string args, throws are exception, and here there are three integer variables. There is a message to enter two numbers. We have accepted these two numbers and this will perform the additional part and this will show the answer. So let's compile this and see. Yes, after completion we are able to see over here the class has been compiled and there is no syntax error. So we will see the output of this. We will enter any, first of all we will clear this. We will enter any two number, let it be 88 and 11. What will be the answer? 99. Sum of these two number is 99. So this is how we perform addition part in Java.